what reason?
I applied for a leave, and it was approved by the secretary.
All right. You were on leave, and then you just happened to visit the factory. Is that correct?
No, Madam Chair. I saw a good friend, si retired General Santiago, whom I met at the airport. We were together there, and then he said that he was retired already, and baka gusto mo sumama sa amin dito. We'll just shoot some rifles. Being an enthusiast myself, I joined him in one day lang, and I continued on with my.
But our impression from the media is that you conducted an ocular inspection of that factory in Israel.
There was no.
Is that correct?
There was no such thing, ma'am.
No such ocular inspection.
No, madam.
All right. Let me talk to Mr. Ramiro Lopez, your alleged consultant. Where is he? Will you raise your hand, please? He's not here. Let me ask you, Mr. Puno. Mr. Ramiro Lopez is identified as your consultant. Does he hold a plantilla position or a service contract?
No, madam. He is a consultant.
He's a consultant. What are his duties and responsibilities as a consultant?
One of them is to do research for me with regards, especially for some items in the items that are to be procured by the PNP, just to give me a background on what they're going to bid.
Eh kung hindi ka pumunta sa Israel, bakit, according to my staff, meron ka kasamang pumunta sa Israel at nandito pa nga sila. They are identified as your companions during your visit. Oh no, these are companions to the condominium unit. Pero itong si Ramiro Lopez was your consultant, and he is alleged to have accompanied you to Israel. Is that correct?
Yes, yes, Madam Chair. One of his functions also with me is to arrange some of my trips, and since I will be going with my wife and my children and my nephew.
Ayayo siya ng pamilya mo?
Hindi po, kasama.
You are no private holiday? Ang kasama mo consultant mo?
Hindi po, it's his own din.
May kaya siya. Consultant kasi siya ng Undersecretary of the DILG.
Hindi po, meron din.
Biro mag-ikot-ikot ka? At his own expense?
Yes,
my goodness, you are testing my level of belief with your assertions. Eh, tagal-tagal ko na tanda ko na mas matanda ako di hamak sa iyo. Pag nagbiyaya ko, wala akong yayo ng gano'n ah. Ikaw, kasama mo asawa mo, pati mga anak mo, tapos diyayo ka pa? Ganon ka kayaman?
Hindi po siya siyayo, kakuan lang po siya. Bumili din po siya ng ticket niya at sa kasama din siya po dahil medyo marami.
Pahiram nga ng consultant mo next time I travel abroad para bumili rin siya ng ticket niya at sumama din siya sa akin.
Sabihin ko po sa kanya.
Ngayon. Wala siyang plantilla position ha, service contract lang siya. What made him qualified to attend back biddings on guns and rifles? Yang Ramiro Lopez na yan.
I requested him also to observe and even suggest to the BAC, which I introduced him to the BAC, that so that they could help the BAC decide also kung ano man yung mga desisyon doon at saka.
Did your representative or consultant participate in any way during the bidding of the rifles? Because I asked this because there is an allegation that he was answering questions on behalf of the BAC and even sat with the BAC/TWG panel during the bidding. Is that true?
I do not know, ma'am. I was not present in that particular meeting.
Yan, Mr. Sarmiento, yung tatanong ko kanina sa iyo. Itong si Mr. Ramiro Lopez reportedly answered questions that were directed to the members of the BAC or the TWG. Ngayon, gusto ko lang pahiwatig sa iyo na your answers do not make sense in the English language. You're calling a person a consultant, pero nakikialam pala siya doon. Nakikisali siya, in other words. At hindi naman siya member ng BAC. Mere observer lang siya. Mahirap. Ay, magaling pala magiging observer. Magiging nga tayong mga senador na maging observer tayo dito sa mga back na ito. I am already monopolizing. Senator Pimentel.
Thank you, ma'am. General Sarmiento, you heard the questions or the inputs of this Mr. Lopez. So, where was he knowledgeable? Was he knowledgeable about guns or was he knowledgeable about procurement processes?
He's more knowledgeable about guns, Your Honor.
But he's not a member of the police force, so you think he's more knowledgeable than you about guns?
We have our technical working group who've been in charge of that. And I understand Mr. Lopez also is a gun enthusiast, and he has knowledge about guns.
If you can still recall, can you quote him? What were his valuable contributions to your discussions?
Medyo marami na ako. I could not remember. But we
Okay,
can...
kahit isa po, ano yung nag-strike sa'yo na magandang insight na naibigay niya po sa back at nagpasalamat ka sa presence niya?
Senator, can I? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Take your time.
There was a time that he made mention about NATO compliance regarding the firearm, especially the rifle.
So how is it relevant to the Philippine context po?
The
NATO compliance.
Yes,
Opo.
when you say NATO compliance, maybe it means military type, Your Honor.
Why is that important? Are we looking for NATO compliant firearms? Is that part of the NAPOLCOM specs?
It is part of the NAPOLCOM specification, Your Honor. Upgraded version po yan military type, not a commercial one.
What is the phrase used in the NAPOLCOM military type? Hindi po NATO compliant. Ano pong kunyari i-research ko po kasi wala naman sa harap ko ngayon yung kunyari i-double check ko yung sinasabi nyo. Ano pong ma-encounter kong phrase? NATO compliant or military type?
NATO po ang nakasulat. Yes, Your Honor.
And General, one more thing. No, you said you were CEP 2012 regarding the pistols, no? CEP 2012 ba 'yon?
Capability Enhancement Program
2000.
for 2011 and 2012. Your
For
Honor.
the pistols?
For the pistol, Your Honor.
And you were purchasing 59,904. Tama pa ba yan?
Yes, Your Honor.
What's the ultimate plan to purchase how many pistols for the police force?
For us to fill up the percentage of issuance to our policemen, we are supposed to procure more or less that much 60, as mentioned, Your Honor, to fill up the 100% for our policemen.
Because part of your presentation was that you will be saving 200 million, good enough for additional 12,000 units. So sabi ko, you already ordering around 60. Why are you interested in purchasing 12,000 more? So I wanted to know the plan. Ano ba talaga yung total? So with this purchase, okay na kayo? On paper, okay na kayo?
Your Honor, that's why we have planned to procure yung additional 12,000 just in case.
For? What for? Sabi nyo,
yes, Your Honor. For the future recruits to change yung mga revolver po on inventory.
So what is the plan? How many new pistols do you want to buy? To procure? So hindi lang pala 59,000, meron pa pala kayong you want to replace the old revolvers, etc., etc. Do we have a plan in the PNP?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
But maybe it's unfair no yung question ko in case you don't know the plan. But are you aware of the plan and can you tell us what is the ultimate plan? How many pistols, modern pistols we need to buy for the PNP?
For us to fill up the 100%, we really need to procure 60,000, then additional 12,000, so we can anticipate the future recruits and we can change the old pistols in our inventory, Your Honor.
My point, General, is that yung 12,000 kasi is accidental eh. You came up with the figure 12,000 because of the savings of 200 million. Pero ang gusto sabihin, is there a plan? I mean, after the 60,000 purchase, 100% na kayo, Is there a plan to purchase some more so that to replace the old revolvers, ang sinabi mo? Is there a plan in the
Yes,
PNP?
Your Honor. It will still be deliberated, yung 200 million na savings. Pwede po naman namin gamitin ito for other equipment like vehicles. Pwede rin po siya ng investigative equipment at saka radios. So, we still have to decide and deliberate kung ano po ang dapat naming bilhin for this particular savings na 200 million, Your Honor.
Okay, anyway, the impression I get now is that after purchasing the 60,000, 100% na. That is the,
Yes, Your Honor.
Confirmed by the Chief PNP, sir. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Senator Cayetano?
Sir, just to pick up on that, ilan ang PNP personnel natin, more or less?
As of now po, 148,000.
148,000. So meaning, more or less 90,000 ho ang meron ng service pistol, kung
Yeah.
mga 60,000.
Yes,
na.
Your Honor.
Pero yung 90,000 na yon, marami doon ay mga luma na.
Halos kukonti na lang po yun. We anticipate po kasi ang baril naman po nasisira din yan. So we anticipate.
And aside from that,
yes, more or less nasa 90,000.
And aside from that, marami pa kayong kailangan, whether it's, you said, investigative, pang crime lab, or bulletproof
Yes,
vests.
Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor.
Kasi ang ratio na gusto nyo po sa pistol, tama po, Deputy Director General Sarmiento, is 1:1 dapat yung pistol, ho, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Or at least 1 pistol to 1 PNP personnel, right?
Yes, Your Honor.
Pag yung rifle po, for every, ano ho yung ratio na ideal sa atin?
More or less siguro ho, dapat nasa 60 to 70%. Ang may priority ho for the issuance ng rifle, yung aming maneuver forces o the public safety battalions and companies. Sila po yung may priority. In the police stations, we also give or supply rifle, especially in high-risk
Yeah.
areas.
Ideally, in every station and sa bawat sasakyan, meron din ho, di ba?
Yes, opo.
Dahil pag na-enkwentro sila, hindi mo naman masabi kung mas maganda yung gamit nung ka-enkwentro.
Yes, Your Honor.
Sir, just to clarify sa presentation nyo kanina, dun po sa pistol, pinakita nyo po yung presyo, tapos pinakita nyo yung gun show price na halos doble, tapos may binanggit pa ho kayo na pag hindi gun show, mas mahal. Dun ho sa, hindi ko lang alam ho kung na-miss ko lang or kung wala. Sa rifle ho, may comparison, wala.
Wala po.
Halimbawa ho, if I buy from any manufacturer abroad or here, how will your 80,000 peso or 89,000 ho ba yun compare? Is it high, low, or na-check nyo na ho yun? Hindi pa.
Yeah. Palagay ko ho, medyo nandun lang ho sa tama. Yung 118 po. Are you talking, Senator, yung 118?
Yung may pinakita ho kayong 80,000 ho ba isa? 89,000?
89,000, that was the bid price.
Nag-jump out lang sa akin kasi yung 16,000 plus, may tinabi ka na 38,000.
Opo.
So parang kahit sinong tumingin,
Opo.
hindi to overpriced, mura to.
Opo.
Pero dun po sa rifle, para wala siyang comparison. I'll tell you the second question to be fair to you. Kasi parang may lumabas sa pahayagan, I don't even know if it's true or not, na ginugol search daw ng Pangulo at sinabing for the same rifle, 40,000 makukuha to. Is this accurate? Was there such a... Are you aware of that o hindi?
It was not related to me directly, Mr. Chair.
But you heard
Madam
of it
Chair.
na sa...
Yeah, opo. Baka ano ho kasi, yung 40,000 baka yung po yung tinatawag nating gas type, medyo lower version po yon. Then yung gas piston, medyo mas mahal po talaga yon.
But apparently that was one of the reasons, whether it was the President or whoever found out, apparently that's one of the reasons why the Secretary of the ILG stopped the deal. Tama ho ba? Hindi.
Siguro po, pagkakaalam ko, he-googled po ron, nakita niya po yung presyo, like this and like that.
So have you investigated already?
Yes, actually, kaya nga ho nahinto yun. Then meron na ho nga kaming estimate paano ho from 40,000. May mga taxes po silang dapat bayaran, freight, etc., etc. So, kung lalo na kung galing pa from